Okay, this is my Enhancement 5 presentation. We'll start with add classification. And if I don't have anything in here, the server side works, and then the client side works. And then we'll do some values that aren't allowed. And then that gets rid of it because it was incomplete information, and it displays the message. And then we'll try again without doing the no validate. And it says, please match requested format. Okay, and then when we do our requested format, it adds. I had one in there already. And we'll go to add vehicle, put some in here. We'll do some incorrect info and some incorrect info here. Okay, so we'll do the client side and throws the error, and it gets rid of all of our information that wasn't correct. Okay, and then now it's saying it needs to do that. Okay, we'll make it correct. And that was working. So it was sticky, and the server side and client side validation was working. And then we'll look at the HTML and CSS. Oh, whoops. Guess I should do a CSS validator. And no errors. No errors. And then we'll go back to the classification. And no errors. And that is my presentation on Enhancement 5.